a little shaky shaky, a little sip sip. That's some good stuff. What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we have another Funko Pop mystery box from the company mysterygrail.com. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is upon us. We have another mystery box from mysterygrail.com. I haven't opened one of these in a couple of months, so I'm kind of anxious to see what's inside. So a little bit of what's in this box run. There are 1,750 boxes in this entire run. They have some small, medium, and large size Grails, of course. You know, $19 shipped. $38 total for these two that I've paid. So people have made it a thing to not include shipping in the total cost. I include shipping because it's the price you pay. I don't know. You can pay shipping, or you can choose to add shipping or not. That's up to you. I'm choosing to add the shipping. So we're going to see what we got inside. And we also get the little scratch-off ticket things. I'm not sure if I should call them scratch-off lottery tickets, but there's some kind of extra little incentive when you buy these mystery boxes. That's why I like these, because you can actually get, like the first box I opened, I got a $100 gift card in there, and that was pretty sweet. And that helped pay for like 3 or 4 boxes after that initial start. So I was off to a good run. So hopefully I can get some good luck on those scratch and win tickets. I don't know. But yeah, so what's inside of this box this time around in the small, let me move over to the side, to the small and medium size pops, I guess. So there's a bunch of small little Grails that I would like to get, like the Game of Thrones, a couple of Game of Thrones pops. Green Goblin would be pretty cool to get, the Chase. That'd be pretty cool. Nothing really else that fits the collection, but I won't turn it down because my end goal is to buy a Grail for the My Hero line. So if I happen to get one of these, I'll just probably trade it off or sell it to, you know, save it for that Grail. It's a long time coming. I need those Grails for the My Hero line. The medium Grail section, I would really like to get that Steve. That would be a really cool Steve to get. Loki would be pretty cool too. Captain American as well. Pretty much all those would be pretty cool. And the Mega Grails, pretty much any of those, because they will not stay in the collection. That will definitely get my Grail for a My Hero. So any of these Grails would be, you know, suitable for my collection for a split time, because I'm going to get the My Hero Grails. That's what I'm after. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I did another mystery box about a week ago, and I need to redeem myself. Alright, so there we go. There's 2 of the mystery boxes. I'll put them... Didn't work. I have mystery box number 1, mystery box number 2. Let's see what we will get. Alright, so I'm guessing everything's the same. I haven't opened these in a couple of months, so I don't know if anything's changed, but I believe it's all the same. Alright, so we're going to open it, and I'm going to show you first because, yeah, that's how we do it. Alright. Just a tab. Bam. What do we get? We get anything good? 3, 2, 1. Bam. Okay, it is a con exclusive pop. That says, that speaks volumes, I guess. I mean, pretty cool. I mean, 2019 Summer Convention. That's a pretty cool pop, I guess. I'm not going to do condition wise or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and set it off to the side and see what's else inside of the box. Of course, we get the scratch and win ticket right there. Pretty cool. Let's see. We got these Tootsie Rolls in the patriotic red, white, and blue. Really freaking sweet. We got 3 of them. Literally, they're sweet. There we go. 3 of them. I'll move on to the next box. Let's see if we get anything really good. I'm not really sure the value on that one right there, but we'll look up values here in a second. Alright, here we go. Bam. Alright. What's that? Alright, there we go. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Is it a Grail? I don't know. Bam. Okay, alright, sweet. I do not have this pop. It's really freaking cool. Alright, there's our scratch off ticket. Once again, we have our candy right here. We have our scratch and win ticket. Both of our tickets here. Okay, so we got, alright, this one. The Mystique. That one is a pretty cool looking pop. Take a look at the sides, or the front and the side of this one really quick. I didn't really show it. There's that right there, the front, the side, the back. See, back, the other side, and then the front again. Pretty cool that I did get it in a mystery box. There it is, Mystique on the front, the side, the rear. I've not gotten any of those pops in my collection. Side, the front again. So I scanned this guy right here, and he is worth a whole $14. This is the shared con exclusive. $14 for this. I don't remember how much I gave the tokens in previous videos, but it got another 200 tokens right there, as you can see. 200 tokens, so I'm thinking I gave that $2. Maybe I gave it $1. I'm not sure. But either way you want to look at it, it's either the whole box for this pop is either worth $15 or $16. So didn't make our money back, so not really wanting to make the money back, just seeing what the values are and how it equals to what you pay for the pop and the mystery box, whatever. Alright, so this one right here come in at a whopping $10. Once again, it got another 200 token points, whatever you want to call it. So, like I said, I don't remember if I gave it 100 point or 100. I don't know if I gave it $1 or $2 evaluation for the 2 tokens, because you can add these up and actually redeem prizes on their website. And I'm getting ready to order some more of those pop armor shield things. Hold on. So as you can see, I have one of the Grails in a pop armor, and I'm going to be ordering one of these right here. And I'm going to be doing it kind of free because I've been saving my tokens and getting one of these right here, these hard stacks, aka hard stacks. So yeah, I mean, I've been saving. I think they cost like 2,200 points or tokens to actually get it. After everything is said and done, the total value on the 2 pops, the 2 tickets, everything is going to be $26 or $28, depending on what evaluation I gave for the 200 tickets. Can't remember what the evaluation I gave for the 200 tokens, whatever. So $26 or $28, we still kind of lost out about $10. Not too terrible, and plus you get to redeem these to actually get other stuff on their website, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so let me know how I did on these 2 mystery boxes. Did I do better than a Live Laugh Funko box? I think I did better on that one, or on this one, than that one. So yeah, that's it. Well, that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.